Yo, what's up everybody? It's ToolPilot here, your guide to navigating the ever-expanding world of AI tools. Today we're diving headfirst into a space that's near and dear to my heart: learning. We're breaking down the top 6 AI tools that'll have you breezing through coursework and actually understanding what you're learning. First up, we're kicking things off with a productivity powerhouse, Notion AI. Imagine this. You're in a lecture trying to keep up with a mile a minute of information. Instead of frantically scribbling notes, you can use Notion AI to record the lecture and automatically transcribe it for you. Notion AI can then summarize those lengthy lectures into concise, digestible notes, highlighting the key takeaways. And when it comes to tackling those research papers or essays, Notion AI is a lifesaver. Create to-do lists, set deadlines, and track your progress all within Notion. Okay, let's be real. We've all been there, staring at a blank page, the cursor blinking mockingly, as the pressure of an impending deadline looms. Well, fear no more, my friends, because Grammarly AI is here to save the day. Grammarly AI is like having a personal editor on call 24/7. It analyzes your writing in real time, catching those pesky grammar mistakes that can make or break your paper. Grammarly AI can help you restructure sentences and paragraphs for maximum impact. And for all my non-native English speakers out there, Grammarly AI is a game changer. Alright, let's talk research. We've all been down that rabbit hole of endless Google searches trying to sift through mountains of information to find that one elusive fact or figure. But hold on, because Perplexity AI is about to change the research game forever. This isn't just another search engine, it's your AI-powered research assistant that delivers accurate, citation-backed answers to your most complex questions. It's like having a super smart research librarian at your beck and call 24/7. Whether you're working on a research paper, prepping for a presentation, or just curious about the world around you, Perplexity AI is the ultimate tool for unlocking a deeper understanding of any topic. Chapter 4. Wolfram Alpha: Conquering Math and Science Like a Pro. Let's be real, math and science can be tough. Many students find themselves overwhelmed by the sheer complexity of these subjects. But what if you had a tool that could not only solve those problems but also explain the logic behind them in a way that actually made sense? Imagine having a resource that demystifies the most challenging concepts. Enter Wolfram Alpha, your AI-powered math and science wizard. This incredible tool is designed to make learning easier and more intuitive. Wolfram Alpha is like having a personal tutor who can guide you through even the most challenging problems, breaking down each step and explaining the reasoning behind it. It's like having a teacher available 24/7. Wolfram Alpha not only gives you the solution but also shows you how it got there, step by step, explaining the rules and principles applied along the way. This helps you understand the process, not just the answer. And for all my visual learners out there, Wolfram Alpha often presents information in the form of graphs, charts, and other visualizations. These visual aids can make complex data much easier to grasp. Whether you're a seasoned STEM student or just starting your journey in the world of math and science, Wolfram Alpha is the ultimate tool to help you excel. It's like having a powerful ally in your academic journey, ready to assist you at every step. Chapter 5: Quizlet AI: Learn Smarter, Not Harder. Alright, let's talk about studying smarter, not harder. It's a concept that can revolutionize the way you approach learning. We've all been there, cramming for exams, highlighting endless pages of textbooks, and hoping something sticks. It's a stressful and often ineffective way to study. But what if there was a better way? A method that could save you time and improve your retention? A way to make studying more engaging, effective, and dare I say, even a little bit fun? Imagine looking forward to your study sessions. That's where Quizlet AI comes in. This innovative tool is designed to transform your study habits. Quizlet AI takes personalized learning to a whole new level. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7. It analyzes your study material, identifies your strengths and weaknesses, and then creates customized flashcards and practice tests tailored to your specific needs. This ensures you focus on what matters most. So whether you're prepping for a big exam, trying to ace that final, trying to master a new language, expanding your vocabulary, or just want to boost your knowledge in a specific subject, Quizlet AI has got you covered. Quizlet AI is the ultimate tool to help you learn smarter, not harder. Embrace the future of studying and see the difference it can make. Chapter 6. Jenny AI, your AI writing partner for academic success. Okay, let's face it, writing essays and research papers can be a daunting task. The pressure to produce high-quality work can be overwhelming, especially when deadlines are looming. But fear not, my fellow students, because Jenny AI is here to revolutionize your academic writing process. Imagine having a tool that not only understands your needs, but also adapts to your writing style. Think of Jenny AI as your personal writing partner, available 24/7 to assist you with every step of the writing journey. Whether it's day or night, Jenny AI is always ready to help. Jenny AI can help you generate ideas, create outlines, and even draft entire paragraphs. It's like having a brainstorming session with an expert, right at your fingertips. It can help you refine your arguments, improve sentence structure, and ensure your writing is clear, concise, and impactful. No more worrying about clunky sentences or weak arguments. So, whether you're tackling a complex research paper, crafting a compelling essay, or just need a little help getting your thoughts on paper, Jenny AI is the ultimate tool to help you write smarter, not harder. Embrace the future of academic writing with Jenny AI. Outrow, unlock your learning potential with AI. So there you have it, guys. 6 amazing AI tools that are guaranteed to boost your learning speed and help you conquer any academic challenge. Signing off.